turns?
Hey, we're going to the canyons.
What are these turns, bro?
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, we out here doing big moves. Jonathan's pressing me again. Check it out. Boom. Perfect example. I was like, Johnathan, hold up. Let me show the people because you need to weld this. And there's a lot of people that watch the videos now, so I'm gonna show you how to put some BCs on. Not too bad, not too shabby. You're just gonna have to have a welder. If you don't have a welder, take it to a muffler shop. Hold up. First, we're gonna jack it up. You get this boy in the air as high as possible so you can have much room. And then you get your other homie, like Johnathan, he's gonna be on that side.
Hi.
And then I'd be on this side, and we just go ahead and tackle this bad boy. Alright, now that I know what tools you're gonna need, make sure you get long like breaker bar. And then you're gonna need 5 for your speed sensor, 17 for the sway bar, 19 for the lower mounting parts of the strut tower, 13, which is not here, but yeah.
And you also need some muscle.
13
some muscle.
For sure need some muscle. These things are heavy. Shit, we might have to go run and grab a tool.
Let's do it.
We'll see.
Let's drive the car.
Let's try to do the dangerous route. I've never done it, but we're gonna try. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do what they tell you not to do in school. Technically, what you're supposed to do is order the spring compressors, but I didn't want to do all that. I've seen my Asian friends do it, my Filipino homies do it. Careful, guys. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Not at all. What about telling you get shot in the face with the springs?
You could also be dead too, so.
You gotta keep this knuckle part because we're gonna cut, I think, 1/4 inch from here. Cut this off. And then we're gonna keep this knuckle and then we're gonna weld the new BC coilovers on.
And why is this a step that needs to happen?
E34s decided to make it difficult, and usually coilovers could be bolted in, but these ones, because they use an insert, you gotta weld it in. Thanks for those questions though, because sometimes I feel like everybody knows what I know. I shouldn't think like that. If you're at the step and you have the stock one, you need a pipe wrench because the teeth will grab onto it. Yeah, bro, this ain't coming off. We're gonna have to go get that pipe wrench.
Definitely not coming off.
Guess what I found? Boom. Bro, come on.
Weren't you hitting it the other way? Why are you twisting it that way? Oh. Let me just shut up.
Dang, we got the homies out here doubting. Look how beautiful that looks, right? Wow. What else do you get in the box? Whole bunch of packing peanuts. You know, they don't really care about the environment. These things last forever. But they don't keep the product safe.
Comment below for more unboxing.
So you got your coilovers. We're gonna get to installing these bad boys. Look at this.
Very pristine looking coilovers.
You know this is gonna change the car. Like, you remember how the car felt, right?
Yeah, I remember how I felt.
Yeah, this is gonna change. Like, your
They all
car
say
used
that.
to be like, all right, cool, we're coasting. This thing's gonna be like, let's go for a run. Let's go ride. You know? They're like, let's go. I wanna race.
$1,100 that it was worth. I would say this is a really bang for your buck.
This ones are $1,100. But I'm pretty sure they get those custom ones. They go for the ballers out there. The danger zone. So you get your cutoff wheel, and we're just gonna cut. I'm cutting 1/2 inch up. We'll have enough foundation to like weld on. Have a sawzall. What the hell? Check this out. It's because the cutoff wheel don't go all the way in. So this should do the job. Just like that, we got it off. In the trash. I just want to apologize because, you know, sometimes I try to be professional, but then I forget. So my tutorials are not the best, I'm sorry. This little notch right here, it's going to hug the knuckle right here. All right, there you go. Boom. And then you have a whole bevel edge right here to get that deep weld, that penetration. Look at that. Alright, we just lowered the car and this is the first sight of it being lowered on the front coilovers. This is pre-packaged in the book, you know? This is 16s. I mean, it's not that bad. This actually looks pretty good.
That's what I'm saying, it's not that bad.
It looks like the factory. We can lower it though.
No. No, we can't.
I decided not to have that tire gap. We had a small tire gap. I lowered it a bit more and it hasn't even settled yet. So. Okay, that's pretty low.
Yeah, many would argue that is really pretty low.
but not as low as it can be, and that is great, actually.
Yeah, but the tire gap is non-existent anymore. Wow, dude, we need some bigger rims now.
17, 18s?
Yes. Some 32s, I got a plug. Some donk. All right, now we gotta flip this baby around and then do the front. All right, DYK, Jonathan's working on the rear. You need 13 inch.
It's stuck.
It's stuck.
God damn it. Dude, I love this. I do. I'm not gonna lie to you, I love this.
John's having a bad time with the rears. All right, on the side note, you need a 22 socket for the rear. And 22 and 13 on top, and you're good to go. Okay, all right.
Bump was not the same.
That's just like,
Bro, in the other car, I would have felt like the whole thing would have been like. Thanks, bro. I'm feeling everything now. That crack right there, I felt it.
hey, we put on super hard. And John says he's feeling everything. It is kind of bumpier.
What do you mean, kinda? Come on here.
Make a lap. Bigger up, bigger up. We're good now. Stay in this lane, but go, 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 go. Right here, right here.
Wait, what? What is this? What was that?
It felt good.
Actually, wait a minute. This didn't feel the same. What are these turns?
Hey, we're going to the canyons.
What are these turns, bro?
Alright, Jonathan took off. I didn't record. The camera died. But, I'm going to be a little honest. A little fact for you guys. I've never bought brand new coilers for myself. I know. I always buy used ones that's already welded. But when I do buy some brand new coilovers, they're going on the M5. It's just I've always been broke, and I have too many cars. But we're changing that. We're going to be taking care of cars soon. But anyways, here's the outro. Sayonara, motherfuckers. Love all you guys. Peace. Oh, yeah. All that famous YouTube stuff, too. Mainly like the video if you did. Helps out. But all that YouTube stuff is included. Alright, peace.